House Bill 245, which would remove the June 30th sunset date for Montana's Medicaid expansion program, cleared a preliminary vote on the Senate floor Thursday, but it will still need to go through one more committee before receiving a final vote. Senators endorsed HB 245 29-21, with 11 Republicans joining all 18 Democrats in support.
Do it for the 80,000 people that need it in our state and the people that they support.
Supporters of the bill said the program has shown over 10 years that it supports hospitals, promotes health, and hasn't encouraged people to remain on it for extended periods. Several told stories about the impacts programs like this have had on their family.
You know, without rural hospitals, I don't think my dad would be here. Without things like Medicare or Medicaid, 13,000 people in Indian communities like my dad would go without things like basic health care costs.
Republicans opposed to the bill said they wanted stronger work requirements and warned that the federal government could cut their support for Medicaid expansion and force legislators back in a special session. But many of them said they felt the result was already clear.
I think the ship is sailing on this one out of our body, so I'm speaking to the governor. I hope our governor would at least push for a compromise to institute real work requirements, not the fake community engagements that are in this bill.
The bill cleared the House less than 2 weeks ago. It received a hearing in a Senate committee on Monday, and the committee advanced it that same day. On the floor, Republican leaders said they opposed the bill but allowed it to move forward as a procedural move.
On some level, in the midst of all this rancor that we've had, it's a cordial move. We understand that we don't have the votes, and we would like it to stop sucking the air out of the room.
Afterwards, leaders referred the bill to the Senate Finance and Claims Committee, which reviews all legislation dealing with large amounts of state money. It will need to be heard in that committee before returning to the floor for one more vote. In Helena, Jonathan Amberian, MTN News.